Today on the OMI Show, pencil picture frame. It's the OMI Show! Hi, I'm Mommy and welcome back to the OMI Show. If you're new to my channel, subscribe. And don't forget to click that like button. Today we're gonna make a pencil picture frame. You will need tan instruction paper, pink, yellow, and black paint, glue, scissors, paintbrush, pencil, marker, 7 jumbo popsicle stick, ruler, 5-inch silver ribbon, and 3-inch red ribbon. Okay, let's get started. Step 1. Mark 1 inch on the popsicle stick. Then paint the longer side yellow. Then paint the shorter side pink. Do this for all 7 sticks. It should look like this when you're done. Step 2. Cut the tan paper 7 by 12 inches. And glue the sticks of one side of the paper, like this. Step 3. Cut the silver ribbon 8 inches. Then glue it on the popsicle stick. It will look like this when you're done. Step 4. Use a ruler to make the paper into a point and cut it out. Then paint the tip black to make the pencil red. It should look like this when you're done. Step 5. Cut the red ribbon 10 inches. Then glue it to the so you can hold it up like this. Did you know Journey was the first place to mass produce pencils in 1662? Most pencil cores are made of graphite powder mixed with a clay binder. These pencils are known as red pencils. Another type of pencil core is charcoal. These type of pencils are mainly used for drawing and sketching. Okay, now that you know, let's get back to the picture frame. Step 6. As a picture of yourself, write your name and your grade, and that's it, you're done! I hope you like making the picture frame, and you do it, tag me on Instagram. If you like this video, click that like button. If you haven't subscribed, do that too. See you in the next video. Bye!